Yeah, Spiderman's always in my room. I found. Hello? Hello? What the heck? Spiderman is in here.
Oh! Oh! What are you doing in here? Huh? Who's your big papa? What?
My name is Maximus Aurelius.
What? Hello, Max Aurelius. Come on, father.
Who are you?
I'm Spiderman.
You're Big Papa.
Who's Big Papa?
The American flag was nice.
Indeed.
Is my mom?
Yeah. Big Papa. What?
You gonna wear that movie pancakes tomorrow?
Move, Snookums.
Yo, last time I made breakfast, I almost lit the whole house on fire. I burned my bacon like ridiculous. Like, it was almost on fire in the pan.
Big Papa.
Where's mom?
I don't know.
I'll see you guys later.
Sit.
Hi.
Big Papa. Big Papa. Big Papa. My eyeball.